class. So this is a video to help you to understand the scale of your drawing a little bit. Let's say that you have a drawing from your partner and that person has given you a room dimension of 700 centimeters by 400 centimeters. Obviously, you can't draw 700 centimeters onto your piece of paper. So what we're going to do is we're going to think about our piece of paper and we're going to think about what we want to fit into this piece of paper. So here I'm going to do the top, the plan. Here I'm going to do the front, and then this is going to be the side, right? So somewhere over here is kind of like a nice size. It's about a little bit under half, right, of my piece of paper. Okay, so if I measure that, it is 15 centimeters, right? So I want the biggest part or the longest part of this room to be about 15 centimeters. So what that means, and we're going to do some math right now. So what that means is that we have to divide 700 into 15, and that gives us 46.66 and so on, right? So the ratio that we're going to do, I'm going to just round it up to 47, okay? So this is the ratio. We are scaling down 700 to 15 centimeters, and what that ratio means is that it is 1/47 of the size, right? If we were to scale down the drawing by 50, then it would become 14 centimeters, you see? So then at 14 centimeters, it will be 1/50th of the size, okay? So that is scaling a large dimension into a small dimension. You just create a fraction and you multiply every value that is given in this room by this ratio right here. Okay, so I'm just going to stick with 47. So what that means is I can now draw my guideline, and I can now do 15. Let me just move that over. Okay, so now I have 15 centimeters. That represents the actual size of 700 centimeters. Okay, so once you establish that ratio, what you're going to do is you're just going to write it down here so that people can see it. 1 equals 47, right? That's the ratio. Okay, so instead of thinking about converting it into centimeters per foot or whatever, just convert it into the ratio. So let's go back to the drawing. I'm just going to make this just draw these simple things, right? So what that means is that you're going to now make the room, right, 400 divided by 47. So this is going to be 8.5. This is 15, right? The bed, 250 divided by 47. So you're just going to round it up. You're going to see that's going to be 5 centimeters. 300 divided by 47, 6 centimeters. The desk is 150 divided by 47 is 3. The length of the desk divided by 47 is 1.5, right? And so on and so on. So these become your new scale values for your drawing, right? So now I have the height of 8.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5. Right? 700 by 400. on your piece of paper, it's 15 by 8.5. Just gonna make sure that that's correct. 15 by 8.5, right? So the bed is 6 centimeters high, according to our ratio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And it is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you can draw in your guidelines. That's the bed. So she's going to give us a value of 50 centimeters from the corner. So what that means is that 50 divided by 47 is almost, right? Let me do it again. 50 divided by 47 is 1. So that becomes 1 centimeter from the corner. Okay, so now I can draw in the guidelines for my desk. So the desk is 150 by 70, but when we scale it down, it's 3 by 1.5. So we use 1.5, and we do 3. Okay, so there you go. This is how you can start your drawing, by doing the scale. So to draw in the actual size of the objects, the bed is 250 centimeters, 300 in that in the length, and then you're just going to write bed. Okay. Over here, you're going to go desk, and what is the actual size of the desk? It is 150 by 70. Okay, so since you already have the scale that is 1 to 47, you can now write the actual dimension of this thing, because at 1 to 47 scale, this is 250 centimeters this way and 300 centimeters this way. And you could do this 700 by 400. Okay.